Hello students, welcome to Learner's Planet. So students, this will be our fourth problem solving session for chemistry paper of AIEEE of 2010. So there are, I suppose, 6 or 7 questions remaining of this paper. We will solve it in this session. So let's start our solving session, students. Now this is a question over here that at 25 degrees centigrade, the solubility product of magnesium hydroxide is 1 into 10 to the power minus 11. So, what is the formula for solubility product? Say the solubility, let's take out the solubility product of magnesium hydroxide. So, Ksp will be the concentration of magnesium and this is hydroxide. If I take this concentration in terms of solubility, it would be Ksp is equal to S into S square, right? So what is S? S is the molar concentration of the substance of that particular ion in its saturated solution, right? Now here, this I didn't put the signs over here, OH and this is minus. Now, at which pH will Mg2 plus ions start precipitating in the form of magnesium hydroxide from a solution of 0.01 molar Mg2 plus ions. Now we have got the concentration of Mg2 plus ions over here. See, what is it? 0.001 molar Mg2 plus ions, right? So what is the solubility product given to us? It is 10 to the power minus 11 divided by 0.001. We are provided with this many ions. So how much of hydroxyl ion is required to precipitate? What is our question? Our question is how much of OH ions is required, or what should be the concentration of OH ions required or in the solution to precipitate magnesium ions as magnesium hydroxide, right? So from here, so this is equal to OH square. Now what will be OH minus will be equal to square root of 10 to the power, how much it would be? By 8, right? Or OH ion concentration is equal to 10 to the power 4, right? Or your POH will be equal to how much? 4. This is minus, this is again minus, that is why it is coming out to be 4. What is pH and POH? pH and POH is the minus or negative log of H ion concentration, right? So this is 4. So what will be the pH, students? pH plus POH is equal to 14. So what will be the pH? pH should be 10. Right? So this question has been slightly twisted. despite of asking how much hydroxyl or what should be the concentration of hydroxyl ions so that your magnesium ions precipitate, it is asking what should be the pH of the solution, right? So this is slightly twisted one. That's it. And it's a simple question. See, in 2010 there were 2 questions from your solubility product, one from equilibrium topic. So it covered all about 3 questions. Out of 30, there were 3 questions of ionic equilibrium topic. One, this conjugate acid-base pair was also the question. So 4 questions. Now let's take up the next question, students. Percentage of free space in cubic closed pack structure and in body-centered pack structures are respectively. So what are it's asking free space. You know the packing fraction? The packing fraction of different structures. See, the packing fraction of cubic closed packed structure is 74%, right? The packing fraction what it is? It is the percentage of volume occupied. Right? For cubic close packed structure is how much? It is 74%, and that of your BCC, that is body centered cubic close packed, is 68%. So what will be the percentage of free space? Is equal to what? It is 100 minus 74, and it is giving 26% in CCP. And percentage of free space in BCC would be 100 minus how much? 68, and that is equal to 32%, right? So what should be our answer? 26% and 32%. It's a very, very easy question from solid state. It's just that you should know the figures. That's it. Now let's take up our next question.